How to fix Minecraft Error Code Cauldron. Hey guys, in this video, we will see how to fix the Minecraft Error Code Cauldron. The Minecraft Error Code Cauldron typically indicates issues with connecting to Minecraft's multiplayer servers or realms. Then, visit the Minecraft service status page to see if there are any ongoing service interruptions. Now ensure you have a stable and reliable internet connection. Try using a different network, such as a mobile hotspot, to see if the issue persists. Temporarily disable your firewall and antivirus software to check if they are causing the issue. Remember to turn them back on immediately after testing. Then, make sure your Minecraft is updated to the latest version. If none of the mentioned steps work, try uninstalling and reinstalling Minecraft. Use the Gaming Services Repair tool from the Microsoft Store to fix any issues with Xbox services. Then press Windows plus R, type W reset, and press Enter to clear the Microsoft Store cache. Ensure your PC's date, time, and time zone are correct. If the issue persists, contact Minecraft technical support for further assistance. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.